Super weather.
Good Saturday morning. I'm meteorologist Brooke Martell, taking a look at what you can expect as we kick off your weekend. A little bit of a cool start and clear skies, breezy conditions as well, especially away from the coastline. That's where those winds will be a factor mainly for today, but you'll still feel it for some of those coastal communities, just not quite as strong. And temperatures today, especially over the coast, once again, it'll be pretty nice over there. By tomorrow, we are going to be warming up 70s and 80s west of the mountain communities. So if you're getting your morning started, this is around 6 a.m. and you could see those temperatures over the higher elevations from the 40s and 50s. Same thing as we push into those valleys, even along the coastline. Bit of a chilly start there. Feels like the 30s over places like Oceanside, but we're looking at 40s over Imperial Beach as well as San Diego International Airport. Back at the coastline for today, clear skies there. And then when do we start to warm up? Close to about 10 o'clock. Back to those upper 60s we go. But over La Jolla, we're looking at low 70s for that max daytime high. Moderate rip current risk. Please be careful if you plan on getting in the water. Wave heights from 2 to 4 feet for your Saturday. And watches and warnings. So this is that wind advisory that's in effect for the valleys, for the mountain communities. This will last right now until Sunday evening, about 5 o'clock. But we're looking at those northeasterly winds to be from 20 to 30 miles per hour over these areas that are shaded in this tan coloring. And those winds could actually gust up to 55 miles per hour. I'm going to show you the wind gust potential in just a moment here. But again, over your valleys, over your mountains through tomorrow. So this is a look at that future cast. We're talking about the wind speed. First and foremost, take a look at the arrows. So we can see that we have that northeasterly flow. This is a Santa Ana wind for us. And at times it could be pretty strong. This is around 11:30 this morning even. Some of those winds have the potential to push close to 40, 50 miles per hour, especially for commuters along the I-8. If you're moving east here along the 8, you can see from Alpine east, we are going to have those stronger winds. So you know what to do. If it does get too gusty, especially for some of those high profile vehicles, semi trucks, trailers, you just want to pull over to the side of the road. There's some of those lookout points for you too, to wait out some of those winds because it could be dangerous for drivers, as we know. As we get into about 4 o'clock this afternoon, going into this evening, things start to taper off a little bit, better conditions, but we still have the potential over those higher elevations as we get into late tonight, early tomorrow morning to have those stronger pockets. And going into about, I would say, tomorrow afternoon, 2 o'clock, we still have those winds as a factor. And this is just before that advisory is set to expire. Along the coastline, you can expect that steady breeze in the forecast for today and going into your Sunday as well. Back to today, those daytime highs, low to upper 70s along the coastline. It's going to be nice out there. Like I said, a little bit breezy if you're going to the beach. And then we're looking at those 70s over your inland valley communities, really depending on where you are. Low to upper 70s, but you could see clear skies. But again, it is going to be windy and cooler over the mountains where those winds will also be prominent. We're looking at 50s and 60s there, 70s over Borrego Springs. Now, I'm showing you the rain forecast. I'm sure you've heard our other meteorologists talking about this. We have a low pressure system to our south, and this could actually push a little bit more northeast, and it has the potential to bring some moisture into San Diego County. Sunday night, higher chances for Monday, especially for the mountains, which is what I'm showing you right now. But let's take a look here at that 10-day forecast. Before we get more into the rain potential, do not forget daylight saving time. It starts early tomorrow morning. We are springing forward. It means you're losing an hour of sleep. I'm losing an hour of sleep. Everyone is here in California. But you can see those temperatures are going to be warming up as we round out the weekend. Maybe a little bit more cloud cover because of that low, again, to our south. And then that potential for the rain as we look ahead to Monday morning for the coast, for the valleys. Can't rule out the chance that we see some of that late Sunday night either. Temperature wise, you can see we cool down at the start of the week and then we start to warm back up. This is the case for your mountain communities as well. We'll get back into those upper 50s by Monday and then we'll trend closer to 70 degrees by Wednesday. And it looks like we're really warming up by the end of this upcoming week. 70s for the mountains. It means we could see some 90s by that time for the desert region. Have a great day.
Don't forget your umbrella.